So I'm going to put this laryngeal tube in, and then you go ahead and start ventilating.
Oh,
Sorry,
right.
go ahead and ventilate it. I'm going to inflate the laryngeal tube and perform an endoscopy with the air track. Let's reach around the base of the tongue and shoehorn between the balloon and the base of the tongue until I find the epiglottis. I'm going to want to lift the epiglottis in order to be able to expose the larynx. Now that I've exposed the larynx, I'm going to go through the bronchoscopic port adapter on the laryngeal tube with the tip of the pocket bougie bent. I'm exiting inferiorly to the larynx, so I'm going to back the laryngeal tube out a little bit and visualize my larynx. So there I am. So I have to work with that. So I'm going to back out a little bit more, raise. See how I got it raised up like that? Now that I'm in, I'm hitting the anterior wall of the trachea, but it is sliding in, so I don't have to do that crankshaft maneuver. Okay, so you continue to ventilate. So at this point, what I can do is remove the laryngeal tube over the bougie. Then place my tracheal tube over the bougie. Revolution. Withdraw it a little bit and advance it. And in this case, it went in very nicely. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the video laryngoscope and put my attention solely on exchanging the laryngeal tube for a tracheal tube, okay?